So I wanted to say to the kids, if y'all want to do cooking or start a career in cooking or gymnastics or anything, if it's something you really, really want to do, keep going, push through, even if you get cuts and scrapes and burns, it's going to be okay, because in the long run, if it's something you want to do and you work hard and do it right, you're going to get there and it's going to happen. And if you really, really work for it, it's going to be amazing and it'll help you in the long run. So, I am Raelynn Barker. I am 12 years old. I am homeschooled and I would be in 6th grade. I go to the George West 4-H Club. I've done livestock, I've shown cattle and sheep, and then I also did the food show and the food challenge. So the once-in-a-lifetime experience that I went to go and do last year was MasterChef Jr, and it was the holiday special, which they never had one before, and I never ever thought about ever going to MasterChef, and it's still mind-blowing day. It still feels surreal. So the finale I had to make an appetizer and then the main dish. So for the appetizer, I had made these little tarts that had mushroom in it. And then we went back at it again and went in cooking. And so then I went and cooked some fried venison with biscuits and gravy and a cranberry reduction and some green beans. Now, they said that they had never had fried venison before. Gordon Ramsay is one of the best chefs in the world, and you've never had it? That does not make sense. And he said that I was in MasterChef Jr making fried venison tenders instead of making chicken tenders. And he said, you created the new thing, fried venison tenders. I was like, sweet. It's amazing. It was amazing. And that's how it goes. Such a beautiful thing over there. The limited edition snow globe trophy. Getting to be there and getting to cook with other kids, that was amazing. Getting to meet them, we have made lifelong friends after that. We were about to head back here at home, and we were in the car, and I was crying and said, Mom, Dad, I don't want to leave the airport. I don't want to leave yet because I don't want this to be all a dream. And I go home, as soon as we step inside, and I wake up. Because to me, it was too good to be true. It felt like a dream. I started cooking whenever I was 4. I didn't have any ties in the beginning to barbecue or anything. So once I went to my first cook-off, I loved it. And so I asked, when's my next one? And me and my family, we kind of all did it together. We were all learning together. So we just went and looked on YouTube, the basics, and started and progressed from there. I've probably done over 100 cook-offs. It's fun because, like I said earlier, with all the different food and all the different types of culinary, like how they have the grilling, the smoking, the live fire, they have the indoor kitchen, and they have baking, and all of it is fun for me because I'm basically doing chemistry and cooking, and I get to eat it. So it's fun for me that way. But mainly just because I enjoy it. It's something that I love to do, and it makes me just enjoy everything. And it has a lot of creativity, and I say the plate is a canvas and your food is what you're painting on the canvas.
She wanted to take herself up there and her background, her community, and represent that on national stage. And it showed, I think, in her traits and personalities, but also in her dishes with the venison. That's our Christmas dish right there. That's South Texas in a dish, fried venison. And they kind of caught them off guard. That's what she wanted to do. She wanted to take South Texas and show them what it was about. And if I could tell Ray anything, I'd tell her that I'm proud of her. And that I see the hard work she's done and the time she's put in everything. and I couldn't be more proud of her as a father. And that I know sometimes it seems like it gets hard, but it's all worth it in the end. And just to keep pushing, keep going at it.
So 4-H has helped me. It's helped me prepare for a lot of things, like performing under pressure, helped me stay consistent, helped me with a lot of things that I'm going to be using in my life. So I want to have multiple restaurants. I want to have a couple located here in Texas, and then I hope to have one in New York.